10,000 people per year in America alone will fall and hit their heads in a hospital setting and die as a result of that. Actually, about 1 million people fall and about 10,000 will die as a result of a head injury from falling. That seems crazy. So, not on my watch. So we do Liberty Patch for that. You cannot heal unless you're in a restful state, and so a peace patch is important for that stress response. It also keeps you from having to give anxiety medicines, and of course, sleep. You heal while sleeping. So a REM patch. So those four patches, and on occasion, I'll add a Defend patch, and maybe even a Lumi patch, because Lumi increases the collagen in your body. Your body needs controlled inflammation, a lack of stress, collagen deposition, proper nutrition, obviously, and a control of the blood clotting pathway. And so I use basically those five patches in the post-operative period. It's a biofeedback physical therapy device that does not require you to learn or interact with at all, as long as it's making contact with a piece of skin that has good sensation. And as long as you don't have a deficit, like you had a stroke, or maybe you have a severed nerve in your back or something like that, then this signal will get to your brain. Okay, so this patch works as a biofeedback physical therapy device, and you do not have to interact with it, unlike any other biofeedback device that is on the market. And the way it's going to work is this. It's going to go onto your skin. Each and every one of those devices has a particular pattern on it, and that particular pattern will determine how far into the brainstem the signal is going to travel. The patch hits the skin. The signal is very, very fine. If it were any more prominent, the rest of your brain would recognize that it is there. It would be annoying. It has to be a very fine signal so that you're not consciously aware that it is present. Okay. And that fine signal is going to wear out over the day, which is why the patch only lasts about a day. And the second you get anything between your skin and that patch, that signal is going to disappear. So it's important that it sits well, and it's important that it doesn't crinkle off, and you don't cut it, and you can't put, like, make it last for multiple days. You can't peel it off and put it back on, because you'll destroy that little signal.